what message you want to give to the industry as such?
I think my message would be like, yeah, try to network, try to get together to talk about projects and try to find partnerships. As I just mentioned, it's not just a selling market, it's also maybe a strategic partner to develop things.
Indo-German trade goes a long way, and Messe Düsseldorf is one of the largest show organizers from Düsseldorf. Today, I have a special guest all the way from Düsseldorf at Plus India 2026, Mr. Thomas Franken, Project Director of 𝐏𝐥𝐚𝐬𝐭 and other projects too. Thank you, Thomas, for joining us here in Plus India and welcoming you to India. Could you please tell about, what is the latest happening in technology and what are the exhibitions happening in Düsseldorf?
First of all, thank you very much for having me here. So as you just mentioned, so it's nice to be back in India. So Messe Düsseldorf and Plus India Foundation, we are partner for many years already. So, and it's so great to see this show growing here in Delhi. So I think we have already 2 exciting days behind us. And I talked to many of our exhibitors, especially from the German pavilion as well. And I think they really say that India is a really promising market right now for them. There's a lot of growth going on. It's a potential market for them. And that especially the German technology, which is state of the art, as we have seen during K-Show last year, can help to develop the country here. So, and also the industry.
The last 𝐏 and biggest delegation and participation was one of the largest from India. How do you see India, German, or after the free trade, how do you see the Indo-European trade?
I see it very potential because I think already 2 weeks ago, the European Union was announcing the free trade agreement with India as well, which is like a big thing, I think, for India and for the European countries, and especially for the German companies, because they're offering a lot of technology for the plastic industry. And I think have these kind of agreements will really help to grow and develop the partnership with some other countries as well. And I think India, and we see it also at 𝐏, that especially the participants on exhibitor and on the visitor side are growing during the last editions. It's a really important nation for us in the industry. And I think especially for the European companies, India is not just a market to sell their products, it's also like a long-term strategic partner, because even here some of our exhibitors, as I know, have started to develop their own production. And I think here you can really see it's not that they're just entering the market to sell the latest technology. It's also like to be in the country and to be part of the development.
And how do you see the future of 𝐏? We attended the last edition. How do you see the next edition?
So we always say, as the organizers of a trade show, like after the show is before the show. So we are starting to analyze everything from the last edition. So for sure, there are a lot of things going on at the moment. So the topic of sustainability and the recycling is, like, as we have seen last year, a big topic for the industry. So I assume that this will also be a big part for the next edition. And also the topic of digitalization, because talking about AI, this is definitely something where you can improve and be more efficient as well in the future.
So the power of plastics will continue?
Yes, I'm pretty sure that the power of plastics will continue.
What are the dates for the next show?
The dates are the 18th to 25th of October in 2028.
2028.
Yeah.
You attended so many Plus India. How do you compare this show to all the previous shows?
Unfortunately, I missed the last one in 3 years ago, but I have seen the 2 editions in Ahmedabad during that time, and I could really see that especially here the fairground also improved, which was very good for all the exhibitors, because you need a proper fairground, especially from the view of an organizer of a big trade show as well. We know that we have to offer our exhibitors the best possibilities to present their latest technology and materials and solutions to the audience. And here you could really see that the fairground improved a lot during the last few years, and some of the halls are quite new, and so far the feedback from our exhibitors, they are really happy to see that this show is growing and being more and more professional.
If I ask you to give a compliments, what will be in one sentence? for Plast India, if you...
So our compliments, we just can say congratulations to this successful show, because as I just said, India is one of these promising and growth markets at the moment. So everyone was really happy to be here and to take part. So and in such a nice atmosphere, it's even easier for everyone.
What message you want to give to the industry as such?
I think my message would be like, try to network, try to get together to talk about projects and try to find partnerships. As I just mentioned, it's not just a selling market, it's also maybe a strategic partner to develop things. And this would be my message.
Networking and partnerships go together and will grow together and expand the territory of India and EU. Thank you, Mr. Thomas Franken, for joining us.
Thank you.
We wish you all the success for the coming K 2028 and see you somewhere in the next shows, and
Yes.
all the best for Plast India and India.
Yes.
Thank
Thank you very much.